American military veteran who's retreated from the world. A chance meeting with a stranger from abroad.
Emil Kovač.
Serbian death squad. Tried for war crimes.
We're both killer mule ladies.
You want a war? Come and get it.
I haven't killed anything in 20 years.
So, where are you going?
Hunting. Go back.
What the hell was that?
Hey, Dad, looks like we are not brothers in arms after all, Colonel Ford.
What do you want from me?
Finish what we started.
You're not Bosnian. You're Serbian. Scorpions.
Robert De Niro, Džon Travolta, together on screen for the first time. Killing season.